Hi, I'm Kamini Patel and I've been vegetarian. Today's recipe is going to be a tomato basil pasta. This recipe requires just a few ingredients that are roughly chopped and they all go into one pan. So I'm going to start by turning on the heat. I like to keep it on low. So we're going to start with some olive oil. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of minced garlic. And about 1 onion sliced. Just give it a stir. So I'm going to let them cook for at least 5 minutes on its own until they're fragrant and the onions are translucent. So I've added about 5 tomatoes and 150 grams of cherry tomatoes. I'm just going to add a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of oregano, and just a pinch of pepper. I'm going to stir this and let it cook for about 20 minutes on its own. So now that my tomatoes are halfway done, I'm going to add the fresh basil. Give it a stir and let it cook through for another 10-15 minutes. So now that my tomatoes are cooked through and it's sort of created a slight sauce, I'm going to add just a little bit of cream, about 50 ml. And to lighten it up, some of my pasta water. Give it a quick stir. So now my sauce is ready, so I'm going to add my cooked pasta. Just stir it into the sauce gently. And now I'm ready to plate. So the last bit is just some pepper and a good grating of parmesan cheese. So there we have a creamy tomato basil pasta. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to comment, share, and like here, and subscribe to I've Been Vegetarian.